Stop by and take a look at the 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, power locks, trip computer, CD player, security alarm, fog lights, electronic stability control, power convenience group, rear window defroster, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, Uconnect hands-free group. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.